Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back. Made my second road trip in 2 weeks. Well, my second road trip in a week. Last Thursday, went up and picked up the Super C, and there was a guy that had a IH model C10, which is a 2-point fast hitch, single bottom plow. Anyway, I didn't buy it or call about it until I made sure I got the tractor. So that explains today's road trip. We headed up to Culpeper, Virginia, which isn't too far from where I went to get the tractor, and we picked up the plow. And the guy who had the plow was nice enough. He's already disassembled it and did all the hard work for me. All I got to do now is clean it, prime it, and paint it. So anyway, here it is. And like I said, he's already disassembled it. I've got all the hardware. It's got the coulter. It's got the rear wheel for it. It's got the cleaner, the clean off for the wheel. Right here, the blade, that's still in really good shape. I mean, I'm impressed with it. And the wheel is in good shape. Not a lot of rust other than surface rust. It's still pretty solid. And the hubs and everything for the wheel are in the box, and well, there's the hub, but the other hardware and stuff to put everything back together. The only part it's missing is the upright, which keeps it from falling over. So I'll check around and see if I can find it. If not, then I'll just make one and we'll call it even. Also too, someone welded 1/2-inch plate to the bottom of the blades because they were using this on a 300. So I'm gonna have to cut that off, and then I'll grind it and make it look good again so it'll fit the Super C. But anyway, so that's it for the little video. I know it's not very long, don't want to bore you. But anyway, I've got a lot of stuff going on. I want to finish the Alice Chalmers so I can get back on mine. I've already got my list started for the Super C. And I've got to put tires on it and tires on my 140, and I've got to get back on the Cub and finish the motor and get it redone so I can sell it to continue to furnish the money for the Farmall M over here. So anyway, it's just a little quick video of where I'm at and what I'll purchase today, and it's probably my last purchase for a while, because road trips are killing me and I'm not getting stuff done at the shop. So thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're just checking the channel out for the first time, please hit the little red button in the bottom corner and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Anything to help the channel grow, anything you'd like to see, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll see if I can accommodate it. Well, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.